Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Hub. So today I'm starting with a new topic in HTML called list. This is very important topic. So what is list in real life? So list are those basically in real life what we basically take a note, right? That's it can be our friend list, it can be telephone list, or it can be anything which we take list along with us. Okay, but in case of HTML, list is little bit different. Suppose I click right click, I click right click. So as you can see this one, there are several options, right? So this can be termed as one list, right? Within this section there can be another list also, that is there can be another section also, that can be also called list, right? So in HTML there is order list, unordered list, description list. So there are basically three type of list in HTML. Fine, let me explain order list. Let me show you what is order list. When you want to write something, you can order this by different methods, right? When we write ordering, that is first number, second number, third number, or you can say the ranking of a student in a class. What we write first, second, third. Okay, so this can be what in numbers, this can be in lower alphabet, this can be in Roman number, it can be in uppercase also. Okay, so this advantage of using list. In our book content also you can see that there is a list of chapters. Fine, within this particular chapter we have certain sections. That particular term you can say an unordered list, right? When you want to order something which you can order by this method, that is by, there are two types, there are basically three types: dix, circle, square. Fine, so it can be dix, circle and square. By this we can list. Okay, and the last, not the least, that is this definition list. Okay, definition list or description list, anything you can say. So this list you can take an example that if you write define Facebook, they give an heading, right? Within you can see this one coffee. Within this particular coffee there is a section which is explaining black coffee, black hot drinks. Okay, so this is definition list. So this is a theoretical portion which I will be attaching in the description. You can take from there. Let's start. What is this list in HTML with a proper code and with a proper explanation? Fine. Let me start. Okay. Okay. So I am using Sublime Text Editor for my HTML purpose. You can use different text editors, Node++. Okay, anything you can use. Let me particularly select one folder. So first of all, let me do new file. Okay, and let me save this file, particular file where I am going to save. Control S, please Control S. Okay, you will be redirected to this section. Okay, in this I am saving in HTML YouTube, right? In this particular one list is already there. Let me write something new name, list example dot HTML. As you know, the extension of HTML is .html or .htm. Okay, make sure that is clear. Okay, fine. Let's start. So whenever I write ht, then press enter. Whenever you write it, the use of Sublime Text is that, or it helps a lot. It makes you a proper syntax for you to write the code. Okay, so let me write the title of this page, that is example of list. Example of list. Okay, in body let me give one definition or give one heading, right? Each one tag is used for heading, as you all know. Type of list. Let me close and make sure and I'm doing this one big, putting it in center, right? That it will be good for us. So control S. Okay, so let me, okay, these are particular. Okay, here is example list in this particular folder. Open with. Okay, as you can see, type of list, and this is the title of the page. Okay, fine. Let's start. First I will start with order list, right? Let me give comment for this order list. This is the way we give comment in HTML. So order list is basically start from OL tag. Okay, order list. So a tag must having a closing also. Okay, since it is a tag, it must be having a closing. Okay, for this it is closing. Okay, in this particular order we have li, that is list item. This tag is what? List item. Let me write few name Ajit. Okay, then li, then I write few name Sevaj. In this particular section let me write, in this list item I write Savaj. Okay, so this is the list, order list. Within this order list I have make a list of items. Let's press Ctrl S, save it, and just check it whether we are getting or not. Just refresh it. Okay, Ajit Savaj, fine. Let me, okay. As you can see, Ajit Savaj Pawar. One thing you have noticed that 1 2 3 it is coming what? Numerically, right? Numerically it is coming. By default it is numeric, right? You can change also. Okay, if I write type equal to A, if I want that it should display from A, start from A in lowercase, control S, no problem, we can do it. Save as ABC, fine. Okay, let me copy all this stuff. Let me show you one more feature of this. Let me write in uppercase, then execute it. Let's see whether we are getting output or not. Yes, we are getting the output, right? We are getting the output, as you can see. Okay, so we are getting the output. Okay, one thing also we can do, what we can do, we can do many things with the order list. We can start from control V from, I want to start with Roman, control S, no problem, we can start, refresh it. Yes, we are getting Roman numbers, fine. So anything you can do. Okay, now what I want is that this order list must start from 10, always starting from 1. As we have seen, I want that it should start from 10. What should I do? Nothing, no problem, just copy it. Copy it, just paste it and write over here 10. It is going to start from 10. Control S and just run it. Okay, we are not getting, right? We are not getting. The problem is that we have to make changes. what changes we have to make, that must you have to know. That what we have to do, we have to write start equals to 10, control S, then execute it. Yes, you can see 10, 11, 12, right? You can see 10, 11, 12. So here is the change which can do. We have to write a start from where we want to start. So this was all about order list. Let me show you on order list, right? Let me show you on order list. Let me comment this and write on order list. For on order list, start with your tag. Okay, on order list. Within this we have a list, right? We have a list. Copy this one. List is same for everyone. For on order list, control S, and let me check whether it is coming or not. Control S. Yes, it is coming in dotted form. Okay, I want that it should come in circle or square. Can we do? It is a filled circle, but I want that my unordered list should come in square or in circle. Yes, we can do. These are three features which it is having, right? So by default it is filled circle. I want that it should come in circle form, right? It will be not completely filled. Yeah, you can see. Fine, pretty well. Now what I want is that it should come in square. Okay, write square, no problem, you can write. So according to us we can design, according to the needs, according to user choice we can design. Fine, this was all about unordered list. Then come for definition or description list. Definition list. Definition or description list, anything you can say. Okay, for this we use DL, definition list. In this particular thing we have DT, that is a tag which we will be using for this. So here is a li tag for unordered and order, but here it is a DT tag which is going to be used. Okay, let me write two names. Okay, so Ajit, under this Ajit I have to write something about him, right? So that it can be shown as a description, right? It is DD. Okay, DD tag which is used. Okay, data definition. Okay, these are tags which will be used. Is right. But write game. Let me write. Okay, he is a game developer. Fine. Close this particular tag. Okay. Control S. Let's see whether it is coming or not. Yes, within this section Ajit, he is a game developer. What is there in the definition? Okay, so this was all about list and a different type of list. So hope so you have understood each and everything. If any doubt, let me know. So this was all about for today. So thank you for watching and please do subscribe my channel.